the next 5 to 6 years, artificial intelligence will change the world like never before. It's not just going to change how we live, it will also change how we work. AI is going to eliminate some jobs while creating new ones. The question is, what are those jobs that are about to become irrelevant in the age of AI? To find out, we spoke with experts and reviewed reports from industry leaders like McKinsey and Oxford University. According to them, these are the 7 jobs that will disappear first. Let's look at them one by one. Number 1. Data entry operators. One of the earliest jobs to be replaced by AI is data entry. This job involves entering data into a database, and it's usually done manually by typing. However, AI-powered optical character recognition, or OCR technology, can now extract text from documents and feed it into a database automatically. Not only that, but robotic process automation, or RPA, can also be used to automate the process of entering data into a database. All of this happens in real time and much faster than humans. Because of this, many companies are replacing data entry operators with AI, and the demand for human data entry workers is expected to shrink by 40% over the next 5 years. Number 2. Telemarketers. Next up is telemarketing. If you've ever received a call from someone trying to sell you something, then you've probably interacted with a telemarketer. But did you know that this job is disappearing thanks to AI? Now, businesses are using AI-powered voice bots to handle telemarketing calls. These bots can simulate human conversation and answer questions. They can also be programmed to adjust their tone and speed based on the person they're speaking with. Plus, they work 24/7 without breaks or holidays. This makes them an attractive option for companies looking to reduce costs and increase efficiency. As a result, many telemarketing agencies are investing in AI-powered bots to replace their human workforce. And according to Markets and Markets, the global AI-powered telemarketing market is expected to grow from 98 million in 2023 to 1.8 billion by 2028. That's a 5-year growth of over 18 times. This trend will likely continue and eventually lead to the elimination of most telemarketing jobs. Number 3. Cashiers and retail workers. Another job that's on the brink of extinction is being a cashier or retail worker. With the rise of AI-powered self-checkout systems and cashierless stores, the need for human cashiers is becoming less and less. For example, Amazon has opened several cashierless stores where customers can simply walk in, pick up what they want, and walk out without paying at a checkout counter. Instead, Amazon uses cameras and AI to track what items are picked up and charges the customer automatically. This eliminates the need for a cashier altogether. Other retailers such as Walmart and Target are also investing in self-checkout kiosks and reducing the number of cashiers they hire. This trend is expected to continue and eventually lead to the elimination of most retail and cashier jobs within the next 5 to 6 years. Number 4. Proofreaders and translators. AI is also making its way into the field of language processing, which means that jobs like proofreading and translating are at risk. AI-powered tools like Grammarly and DeepL can already translate and proofread text with a high degree of accuracy. And as AI continues to improve, it's likely that these tools will become even more advanced, eventually replacing the need for human proofreaders and translators altogether. However, it's important to note that AI is not expected to replace all language-related jobs. For example, roles that require creativity or high-level language skills such as copywriting or script writing are still likely to be safe. But for more routine proofreading and translating tasks, AI is quickly taking over. Number 5. Customer support representatives. The next job on the list is customer support representative. Thanks to AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, businesses can now automate the process of answering customer queries, providing instant responses to common questions without the need for human intervention. This not only saves businesses money, but also provides customers with quick and efficient service. As AI technology continues to advance, it's likely that more and more customer support roles will be replaced by machines, leaving only complex or sensitive cases for human representatives. Number 6. Truck and taxi drivers. Finally, let's talk about truck and taxi drivers. With advancements in self-driving technology, this job is at serious risk. Companies like Tesla and Waymo have been working on self-driving cars for years, and the technology is rapidly improving. Once the regulatory authorities approve self-driving vehicles, it's likely that many trucking and taxi companies will switch to using autonomous vehicles. This will not only save businesses money but also provide customers with a convenient and efficient way to travel. However, the timeline for when this will happen is still uncertain, and it could take several years before self-driving cars become the norm. And number 7. Basic content writers. Last but not least, basic content writers are at risk too. With AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, businesses can now generate large volumes of content instantly. This means that content writers who produce low-quality or repetitive content are likely to be replaced by machines in the near future. However, it's important to note that AI is not expected to replace all content writers. Those who can produce high-quality, creative, and engaging content are still likely to be in demand. So there you have it, 7 jobs that could disappear in the next 5 to 6 years due to AI. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest trends in AI and the future of work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.